So this is a 2018 Massey Ferguson 7720S Dyna 6. So that's 200 horsepower with a 6-cylinder engine and a 50k semi-power shift gearbox. It's equipped with front linkage, front PTO, one front spool and a light socket. And it has external front linkage control. It's got storage for the clever straw bar, which has been used barely, just enough to take the paint off. It's on a hydraulically suspended front axle with pivoting front mudguards. There is a bit of rust showing through on what should be the black grille, but other than that, the front bodywork's in really good condition with no large scratches or dents. You've got halogen front work lights. The front tyres are Mitre 665 R28s. About 70% tread remaining. No large cuts or bulges. And they are on adjustable front rims. Got diesel and AdBlue. But the black paint has come off the steps, and the bottom step is very slightly bent, which we can fix. Cab glass in good condition, twin beacon. So a fixed rear axle and a fixed rim, and the tyre size is a Mitre 650 65 R42s. Again, about 70% tread remaining. No large cuts or bulges. Got halogen rear work lights. Then you have external linkage, spool and PTO control on the left hand fender, and then just external linkage control on the right hand fender. And the right and left hand fenders have a few cuts and scratches in places, nothing too serious. You've got a Cat 3 rear linkage in good condition. Nothing's bent. All the adjusters are free. And then you have a hydropneumatically suspended cab. That's the top spec adjustable cab suspension. Mechanical top link, and then there are 4 rear spools, and these have the upgraded decouplers, quick decouplers, which are really handy. Then there is air and hydraulic trailer brakes, isobus, dual control. The red one's power beyond, the blue one's load sensing, and then you have a return, free flow return, and a K-strain. There's a small bit of wear on the trailer hitch. There's a 540 shaft currently in the back. The 1000 shaft is in the toolbox. Rear right hand tyre, also Mitre 650, about 70% tread remaining. Good condition. Right hand side cloud glass in good condition. Mirror glass isn't cracked. Exhaust stack. No scratches or large dents. Front right tyre, also Mitre 600, with no large cuts or bulges. So in the cab with the 7720, most of the interior has been kept in pretty good condition. Just needs a quick clean as it's only come off farm just recently. There's no large scratches or tears. Passenger seat's in good condition. Driver's seat is a Grandma Air suspended. Not showing any signs of serious wear. Headliner hasn't been stained. Could just do with a quick clean around the air conditioning and the Bluetooth radio. It's got all electronic spools. There's your engagement for your front and rear PTO. Speed selectors up here with your rear linkage adjustment. And you have a data 4 screen, which does all of your tractor settings and your isobus. And then you've got a data 5 screen, which will do your guidance. and there are 6,366 hours on the clock. It starts to run as well. So this Massey Ferguson has just come into stock at our site in Littleport, and if you'd like any more information or you'd like to come and look at it, please get in contact with us at Thurlow Nunn Standen.